Let's continue our friend request system. We were here make the test thread function. When I click on test, it will go to our thread friendable file and return hi only. Okay. Now we will continue our friend request system. We'll click on add a friend button and we will send to friend to other users, and he or she can accept our friend request according to our logic. Let's try to make a logic. For that, let me make a new view about find friends or all users. Let's create a new roots get. First of all, I will use as a only simple function to show you what I am trying to do. Okay. Mm, Here I forget comma, and here if I click on slash friends, it will display all list of friends, but not that user which logged in. Okay, just make a new variable all users, db users. Oh, sorry, table, and here where condition, and here our get function. Okay, now see carefully. uh, we will mention our table name and in where id, which is filled in our mysql table users. Okay, id comma not equal to that id who is logged in. Okay, comma, and this uid, and uid will be our uid auth user id, uh, and display our data for that. For each, just for learning purpose, I will convert into controller function. All formalities I will do, don't worry. And for example, you, just for demo, echo name, echo only basics how we can display other users who is not logged in. So here friends. Okay, now I am logging as a Hatip Singh and other users is Nita and demo. So go to home profile, just log it out and log in with any other users. We have to see other users, just see friends. Okay, now you can see. Mm, it name will be find find friends. That will be logical name find friends. Okay, just copy this and convert it into our controller function name. Controller is our uh, I think home controller at the rate find friends. Okay, uh, I will use Notepad to save our data. And this root will be under our middleware auth just for who is logged in can access this root. Okay, for go to our uh, I think we have to here we can not home change this with profile file controller. Okay, profile controller and make a new function under our profile controller public function. uh, just copy this, cut and paste format. Now we will display into our view. Okay. Mm, return return view. We will make a new view, so its name will be profile dot profile dot um, find find friends. Okay, find friends and compact. Sorry, not like this. Yeah, compact. Yeah, right. And close bracket. Now we have this variable all users. We will display as a for each. We now need a new view. Or just copy anything. I think I will use a deeper file. I am copy pasting. You can make new view from scratch. Fine. It's up to you. Find friends. Okay. Now we have a view. Just delete extra things and here is form. Just delete this. We will display our user list here. User list and find friends. These variables. Let me check. This will be not working. So delete this all. Delete this. Okay, name will be work because it's coming from auth. Find friends. No, here will be our profile. It's breadcrumb. Okay, here we can add find friends for just see as a heading. If I click here, go to friends, not friends. Now it's find friends. Find friends. Okay, we have this. Just our name. Just display something dynamically. Div class. I think we can use thumbnail. Div profile. Yeah, this would be okay. Mm, We will starting for each according to our compact data here. All users just copy from this, sorry, copy paste as view list, and for each. Okay, and here display list name. Let me see we are on the right path or not. Okay, undefined variable, yes, find friends. Okay, let's see what happening here. Find friends. Compact. Let me use with. No, we have to display with compact. Just let me try remove this and display all data. Okay, we have error into 24 line. Yeah, this something this is not going to this page, I think so. Return view profile dot. Let me see if it's working without it. Yeah, it's working. If I use with and key will be, oh sorry, uh, now I remember, I a silly mistake. Okay, now it will be work. Okay, now go to back your for each. Yeah, we have this French. We have to display images also. Go to master where we are displaying images of users. Okay, check image. Yeah, we have this. Copy and if I want to check how is displaying image, any class, image circle, I hope so. We have this and copy caption also. We will use this for info of and users like our city name, etc, etc, city, country, and share will be our this pic, not usual pic, it's other pic. Okay, and 80 pixel for height, 80 pixel for width. Okay, city. We don't have city. I think we have to connect with, I mean, join with our profile database. Okay, so for this, let me left join. Okay, sorry, and share will be our profiles. Let me check how it's left join. Sorry, I forget. Okay, go to here, queries. We need this join. Okay, yeah, just copy this. Close. We will use our own table's name. Just open here profile table. We will communicate between these two tables. Here we will take user id and it here user underscore id. Okay, here profiles, yeah, right, and users dot not user id get. Now let me check it's working. Yeah, it's working, but our pick is not. So test with right join. Okay, okay, it's okay. Display user id to check how it's displaying data. Is user id. We have user id 3 and 8. Let me see, check it's okay. Yeah, now I am id 3, so we have to display 1 and 8. One demo, no, one is no demo, so change this, right join. Let me switch this. User id, user profiles, profile equal to search. Which table users not found? I am sorry, it's users. Okay, not users. No, your demo id 8, id 8 1 1. Okay, and now we have to try with other users login. Okay, now login with Hardeep Singh. Now my id will be 1, and if I go to find friends, yeah, one is female, one is male. Okay. Mm, Now we need two things. One is add to friend button, and width is too much. Just make it small. We can do with this called empty for. Yeah, check your thumbnail how it's looking here. Three. Let's replace. That's three. Okay. Mm, remove the user ID. Now we are testing successfully. Demo name. Okay. I think demo has no countries now, so it's not displaying. Let me edit his profile. Not here. Login as a demo. Demo login. Edit my profile. Now we have UK. I am demo user. Okay. Now log out. Login with her tips. Now go to find friends. Sorry, find friends. Okay. Same with this. You can with this. Okay. Little bit we need margin for make more beautiful this margin. Just 5 pixel. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay. Now we need a add a front button and little bit its info. Okay. Here will be our add button. href plus btn info. I think looking good. We will change according to our theme. Okay, add to front. Okay, and mm, I will make new div for this. Okay, this class will be same as style here, and our thumbnail div inner this div. Okay, and our thumbnail display info. You list info. How it's looking? Check info not have working. About, I think it's about. Sorry. One more thing. See what's at. Choosing a root name at URL slash at. Let me see how looking at success. Yeah, it's better. Line side. Now if I click here add, it will go to our web.php and we will creating here get add completing our logic to add a friend profile controller, not we will choose this logic. Okay, copy this, paste here. Okay, now if I click add friend, I think it's more logical. Here change add friend. Now this page and routes accessible by only logged in users. Okay, add friend. Now it will go to add friend function. We don't have still add friend function, but we'll making this function. Okay, for making this function, just write public function this name and complete our logic. We will insert entries in our friendship tables. How? Let me show you. If I click here, it will go to here. We go here, adding friend, adding friend. Yes, it's working. So click friend, friendships, friendship, and use uh, for this. I will use here. Use app friendship. Okay, only friends. Page callback replace with our friends add friend system semicolon. Here add a request. Let me check its spelling structure. And this is our ID who is logged in. Okay, who is logged in, and this is user requested who is requesting. Okay, who is requesting, how we will get from here. Okay, user ID, and here we will pass data user ID semicolon, let's comma. Okay, now if our is successfully, then we will display success message. And return friendship to see what we are doing, and if not successfully, return failed. Failed. Okay, just return failed. Okay, now we have done our logics. Add a friend. Just test our logic. Add a friend. Just add friend. Okay, we have to pass id. Okay, which we defining here. We have to pass here id. For this, let me pass as a from here. Here our id is current id. Oh, look like this. You can see here 8 3. Okay, it will go to our web function will detect id and id will pass here. Before that, let me test it's fetching right or not. If I click fetch, method not found. I think not found. Which not here. 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 If I click here, it's saying 8. Now we can pass our id. Let me check. It's not id passing. If I click on this, check it's passing 8. If I say make a controller function, let me try with controller function and send request. Copy this and go to profile. Make a controller function. Send request request send request. Pass here like we done before with our Slack ID. Right here we will display our ID first, then we will go to ahead. For this, let me confirm same function. Okay, now go to view again, find friends. Okay, now we have this ID. Okay, go to our send request. Now pass user ID to add friend function. uh, yeah, everything's okay. Our database empty. Let me check. It's failed. Because it's not passing to right. We have to check here. We will display user ID here. It's user ID, sorry. ID. Let me check again. It's not created. It's create. Okay. Yeah, we are done. Now we have a friend. I am ID1. I request sent to 8. Who is 8? 8 is demo. Now demo is our friend. Okay. Next video I will make our friend list. Okay. For now, just add a new link, find friends in our master. To after checking his profile, just make a new link, find friends. Okay, we don't need this Slack for this. Just right, find friends. Okay, find friends. We have these friends. Okay, we can add these friends. We can add these friends. We will done everything in next video. Who is done? Who is accepting your guest? Who is not accepting everything? For now, I am stopping here. And guys, I updating my GitHub daily basis. You can check all code of this site on this link, social networking in Laravel 5.4. You can download all source code and can clear any doubt. Just send me comment as your feedback. It will be very helpful. Okay, for now, thank you. Stay tuned for next video. Okay, thank you.